Hi, I'm Zach Snook, Director of Product Management for Biamp, and I'm here to talk about our Zoom Room integration with Biamp's Impera control systems. So with our Zoom Room solution that you can buy directly from Biamp, we actually give you the option to add in room control. So with room control, we have a couple options shown on the table. The first is more of a traditional control device. This guy offers you a slew of different connection opportunities like IR and RS-232 and network communications to control whatever you might need to control within your conference space. The other option is a wall panel that is up on the top here. It actually is a controller built into a wall panel. So either of these solutions can be connected up to your Zoom room. So with a page flip on the room control section, when you hit the room control button, we move into a control page, and that control would allow a user sitting at their Zoom room tablet to go out and control things like lights and shades and displays and input switches, whatever they need. Using the uniform controller here, you actually can move that to a wall location as well, giving the user separate locations to actually run room control. So if I walk in the room near my light switch, I could do basic control from here, or if I'm sitting at a conference room cable, I can do control right from my Zoom Room touch panel. So all these control options, as well as all of our conferencing options, can be found at www.biamp.com.